Waiting for a progress bar to crawl across the screen is the slowest form of torture for anyone working in a creative flow. You hit the generate button, and then you just sit there. You stare at the little spinning wheel and hope for the best. That is exactly what WaveSpeed AI is trying to kill off. They are betting everything on pure, unadulterated speed. It is like they took every major AI model on the market and stuffed them into a single high-powered engine. When you type in a prompt, the result is almost instantaneous. It is not just the images either. Even the video generation side of things moves with a level of urgency that makes other platforms look like they are running on old dial-up internet. This is not just some clever marketing fluff. The speed is the real deal, but there is a catch that comes with all that power. This is not a polished, shiny app with a friendly mascot helping you through the steps. It is a massive, cluttered toolbox. When you first log in, you are met with a wall of options. There are buttons and models and settings scattered everywhere. If you are a seasoned pro who has spent hundreds of hours messing with these systems, you will feel like a kid in a candy store. You have all the control you could ever want. But if you are just starting out, it can feel like you walked into a workshop and someone handed you a blowtorch without any instructions. It is messy. It is intimidating. The interface expects you to know exactly what you are looking for. The biggest draw here is the consolidation. Think about the usual workflow for a digital creator. You have one tab open for your high-end image generation. You have another site for your video clips. You have a third one for your audio bits. You are constantly jumping back and forth and losing your focus. This platform pulls all of those strings into one central hub. That is why developers and app builders are flocking to it. It is an efficiency play. However, the financial side of this is where things start to get a little bit tricky. It uses a pay-as-you-go model. On paper, the costs look incredibly low. You see these tiny fractions of a cent, and you think you are getting the deal of a century. The problem is that when you have this much speed at your fingertips, you tend to go a little overboard. You start generating dozens of versions because it only takes a second. Before you know it, those tiny charges have piled up into a mountain of debt. I have seen plenty of people online complaining about their bills. They feel like the rug was pulled out from under them. It is not necessarily a red flag or something shady, but it is definitely a lack of transparency in how fast those costs can scale. This is a common story in the world of high-end tech tools. If you are just a casual user who wants to make a cool avatar or a funny picture, this is probably overkill. You would be much better off with one of the more streamlined, popular apps that offer a flat monthly fee. Those tools are designed for ease of use and predictable spending. This platform is more of a professional-grade instrument that expects you to have your own sheet music. It is fast, it is powerful, and it gives you a level of access that is hard to find anywhere else. The variety of models available means you can experiment with different styles and techniques without ever leaving the interface. It really does feel like a playground for those who know how to navigate the complexity. Just keep your eyes on the meter and make sure you know which buttons you are pressing before you start spending your budget. It is a high-performance machine that requires a steady hand and a very clear plan. If you value your time above all else, the trade-off might just be worth it. You just have to decide if you are ready to handle the speed.